For the past week, nagkaroon po tayo ng series of operational accomplishment with regards sa drugs and arrest of wanted person. So for the illegal drugs, nagkaroon po tayo ng 6 na accomplishment. One of this is marijuana eradication. Ito po ay isa sa mga accomplishment natin sa drugs. Ito nga top 1 provincial target ng Nagilian. So nahulihan po natin sila ng more or less 5.5 grams na suspected shabu with estimated street value of 37,000 pesos. Ito ay top 1 provincial target listed by the PDEA. Ito ay isang high value individual. Then another accomplishment natin sa drugs is meron po tayong nabaybas na 3 individuals. One of this is a high value individual at saka dalawang street level individual. Ito po ay na-bypass ng ating mga kapulisan sa may San Juan, La Union. So ito ay isa sa mga accomplishment natin. So ito ay nahulihan natin sila ng more or less 2 grams of suspected shabu with an estimated value of 13,600. Ito ay separate na 2 sachet. Isa dito ay sold, then after the body search, so nahulihan pa natin ng isa. So they are already in the custody of San Juan Police Station, ready for filing appropriate charge against them. Then isa dito sa most significant incident po natin sa drugs, ito ay marijuana eradication sa may Santol, La Union, particularly sa may Barangay Tubaday, Santol, La Union, wherein na-prove natin and destroyed more or less 2.3 million pesos worth of marijuana. Then ito ay isang joint effort po ito ng Kapulisan ng Santol, the Drug Enforcement Unit of La Union Police Provincial Office, and also the PDEA. So they are already fighting, ready na po natin appropriate charge against them. So mga cultivators po na nagtanim po doon sa may Barangay Tubaday na yan. Then for the arrest of wanted person, meron tayong top 1 most wanted person na na-arrest po ng kapulisan ng Bawang Police Station, wherein 19 years old from Barangay Payupok Norte, Bawang La Union. May violation po siya ng violation of Section 5 Article 2 of the Comprehensive Dangerous Drug Act of 2022. So, yun nga, ito ay isang top 1 most wanted na municipal level. Then again, arrest of wanted person in Rosario. This is a top 2 most wanted person ng Binalunan, Pangasinan. So, ito po ay nahuli natin, 28 years old for violation of Republic Act 10883 or the Anti-Carnapping Law. So, may kapulang piyansa po ito ng 300,000 pesos. So ang kapulisan po natin ng Rosario ay tinurn over na yung sa warrant of arrest or sinuli na po natin sa place of origin ang warrant of arrest, including yung tao. So yan po yung ating mga accomplishment for the past week. So yan po ay joint effort ng ating mga kapulisan ng stations, and also for sa guidance po ng ating mahal na provincial director na si Police Colonel Redentor Orsano to pag-igtingin ang ating kampanya laban sa mga kriminalidad.